you want to just see what my makeup collection looks like, then just keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's just get into the video. So as of right now, this is where I store all my makeup, which is in this little thing right here, this Alex drawer that goes to the floor with brushes and some stuff on top, and then this vanity right here, which, hi. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of set up and zoom in so that I can kind of go through each drawer individually. I'm not going to go through each product because, like I said, I'm going to do like individual collection videos if you'd like to see that. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead, move closer, and we'll get started. So this clear acrylic right here I got from the Container Store. This just houses all of like the new makeup that I haven't used yet. I just bought, got, whatever. So this is just holding all of that stuff I get in Boxycharms, order off Ulta and stuff. And yeah, so this I just keep on my vanity or my Alex drawers just so I can remember to use the new products that I have. And then up here I have all of my brushes, which is way too much, I know, but I love collecting brushes. It's something I'm like always obsessed with, is brushes. So this is where I keep all of my brushes, just in these little containers like this one and this blue one over here I got from Hobby Lobby. The rest are pretty much just TJ Maxx or like the dollar store. Like this is from TJ Maxx. They always have those there. And then this thing that houses my face brushes is just a dollar store cup or like bowl thing. So I just keep my brushes in there. And then this moon thing my dad got me for Christmas, so I just leave that up there for decoration. It gets a little crowded, but I love the way it looks and it lights up really cute. I don't have it plugged in or charged right now, so I can't turn it on, but yeah, so my dad got this for me for Christmas. Next is this stuff over here. I just have my Himalayan salt lamp right here. I don't use it that much. I basically just use it for filming. I have some of my earrings in this little dish. I think I got this from Hobby Lobby as well. And then I have this gold like letter holder that I hold some of my palettes, like the everyday palettes in. I got this from Hobby Lobby. This little container holds my it holds my lip liner. This is also from Hobby Lobby, I believe. I remember going and getting a lot of like decoration from Hobby Lobby. Down here is just all of my body glitters or body shimmers and perfume, which most of them are from Victoria's Secret. And then over here I have two acrylic containers, most likely from TJ Maxx. In the first acrylic container I just house all of my Kylie liquid lipsticks, and I have a lip gloss down here, just holding those in there because I like to keep those separate. The second drawer is just all of my chapsticks. Like these ones are the homemade ones my mom and my sister makes. A lot of the chapstick brands, I don't really use these, I just keep them here in case. Aquaphor, which I love Aquaphor, it is the best like chapstick ever, it's so good. And then a little Body Shop one. This drawer is actually empty because I have nothing for there yet. This drawer is all of my glitters, and I have a lot of JCat Beauty ones right over here. NYX. These are from Amazon. The rest of these little ones are from Amazon. I just literally searched beauty or cosmetic grade glitter, and these are what came up. I'm very careful with them. Technically, you're not supposed to use glitter on you at all, so I'm very careful when I use these. And then I have pigments over here, like a couple of the little MAC samples, some of the Wet n Wild pigments. In this last drawer right here is where I keep like my single eyeshadows, some of the little like glitter eyeliners, and then some cream eyeshadows. I have some e.l.f. back here, some L'Oreal, just an assortment of things. So the first drawer is where I house all my foundations. I just lay them down like this because it's easier for me to see them. I have some Juvia's Place laying right here too, but this is just the easiest way for me to store them because I can see all of them, see the colors, and just look at them that way. And then over here I have this little container I got from the dollar store, and I house all of my concealers, which I have way too many concealers, but this is the first drawer. I like to keep it like face stuff or like base of my face stuff, so this is the first drawer of my Alex drawers. Next I have all of my highlighters. All of these containers are either from, like these bigger ones are from Myers. This is from Myers, and then these ones back here are from the dollar store. Now I keep all of my liquid highlighters back here. Just powder. I don't have them in any kind of assortment except these ones over here are mostly the loose highlighters that I have. I have some random little palette kind of things over here. And then just some like little baby sample size highlighters back here. The next drawer is a mess. It's a disaster. I can never get it to look good. But over here it is my blush section. I don't have too many blushes, so this little container works very well. A lot of my loose powders, and there's some more blushes back here. There's a few more loose powders back here. Then I just keep the bigger palettes that don't fit in anything right there, along with loose powders. Then this is mostly bronzers, and then some like face powders, like this is the It Cosmetics one. This is the Clinique one, and just random kind of things that this drawer does not ever look right. I can never get it to look the best, but this is what I'm working with right now, and I can't complain. Next, I have my mascaras, eyeliners, tools, brow products, and then some of my like just random little Halloween effect stuff. I have like these half pearls that I used for a mermaid look one time with some gems back here, and then fishnet stockings to do some cool stuff with. Here I keep all of like my lash glues, and then other like a little makeup remover pen. This is salicylic acid, I think. This is acne fighting gel from e.l.f. And then just random little like things here. I keep all of like the tools, like the, you know, those pimple popping tools that everyone is obsessed with. Eyelash curler, tweezers, all that good stuff. Here, the front of this container is all eyebrow stuff. I just keep a lot of brow pencils, that's what I love. And then here I keep all of my eyeliners, liquid and pencil eyeliners back here. Next are my mascaras. I have one colored mascara, and the rest are just black mascaras that I have either not opened and want to try, or have opened and am currently using right now. The next drawer is where I keep like my smaller palettes, so mostly all of these are eyeshadows. I have Anastasia right here, the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection, and then some of my Too Faced ones. And then back here I have some of the Urban Decay Naked palettes, some Lorac, some more Urban Decay, and then just smaller little palettes that just I thought would fit into this drawer nicely. And then the next drawer is where I keep all of my large eyeshadow palettes, and then some random little small eyeshadow palettes. This has no rhyme or reason to it whatsoever. It's so disastrous. I have no idea how I am going to try to store this, because I need to reorganize this really bad, but it never happens. It never looks good, so I've just kind of given up on this drawer. But if you guys want to see like a eyeshadow palette collection, or just like a full palette collection video, I am going to be doing one of those, because I know it was one of my popular ones from 2 years ago, and clearly since then I have gained a lot of palettes, because this is only my eyeshadow palette drawer. Because right here is my face palette drawer, which has all of my face palettes in it. This also has no rhyme or reason. It just looks like a disaster, but this is what I'm working with. This will be included in the palette collection video that I will be doing soon. So yeah, this is my face palette drawer. And then the bottom two drawers, this one is skincare, and then this one is hair. This is like face mask and stuff, which is disastrous, and we don't need to look in there. Bottom is like brushes and hair stuff. And then, yeah, so let's go over to my vanity. So as you can see, this is my vanity. My phone is right there. And then I have like contact stuff and random stuff up there. I just keep my scrunchies right here with my mirror, and then that container actually has nothing in it. And then this container over here holds like some of my just random like receipts or other random little things, because we know we all need a junk drawer. So I keep like my fake press-on nails that I like have been using recently. I'm actually wearing a pair today, and they've just really been easy for me, because I don't always like to have nails done. Over here I just have some brushes in like a to-go thing, some like those brush Brillo pad things, and then some sponges. I keep my face tools here, so like a jade roller, and then the micro needle roller with some brush cleaner. This is a jewelry box. My boyfriend gave me a necklace, and I like to save it. Some tanning goggles, which I don't tan anymore, so I don't really know why I have those. And then just like earplugs for an airplane, because my ears suck on airplanes. Then I have like a little bit of some nail care stuff right here with an eyelash curling kit, which I haven't used yet, and I really want to try it out. Just some random little face razors way in the back, which you can't see. I'll pull it out, are just like extra Z palettes that I have. And then over here I house all of my fake lashes, which I don't have a lot. I don't really wear fake lashes a lot, so I just keep my collection small. And then this drawer is another drawer that really doesn't have a rhyme or reason. This is just like primers and face products, or face mist, so just a lot of random things in here. And then way back here there's just a bunch that are too tall to stand up, just laying down. A lot of the Morphe, as you can tell, I love those. But yeah, this is just like facial sprays and face primers. I keep them all in here because I can stand most of them up, and then the rest are all back here that don't stand up. So this is the last drawer in my vanity, and I just keep like all my liquid lipsticks, liquid matte lipsticks right in these two containers. I keep all of my lip glosses back here with some chubby pencils next to those. And then over to this side, I just keep my lipstick. I don't really have much stuff to put in either of these spaces, so I just leave them there for now. And then the last drawer in my vanity is just skincare, so we're not going to go through that. So I actually changed my shirt and then just kind of set up into my filming setup because I am going to be filming a couple more videos today. But I just really hope you like this makeup collection. I'm going to post like a highlighter collection, maybe like blush, bronzer, and powder, palette, just kind of do different, like kind of like a series thing, just so you guys can kind of see what I have, because I know I love watching these videos, and I actually kind of like making them, so I really hope you like this video. I'm going to start a playlist of all of like my videos, and I'll leave that playlist down below. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. Today I am doing a makeup collection and storage video. I kind of said some of the things where I got them, and then the rest of them are basically from the same place, so I didn't keep repeating myself. I just wanted to do this video for a while now. I love watching these, so I figured why not make one. This is not to like brag or gloat or anything. I've been saving or like collecting all of this stuff for years now. So I have accumulated a lot, and I'm not ashamed for it. I work hard for my money, and I spend it on makeup, and that is my choice.